In this video, I'm sharing 40 plus AI prompts with different styles, outfits, poses, and beautiful backgrounds. Each prompt is shown along with a sample image, so you can easily see what kind of result you can create. The prompts will change automatically every few seconds, so pause the video whenever you find a prompt you like and take a screenshot. After taking the screenshot, open Google Lens and upload the screenshot. Google Lens can recognize the text from the image, so you can copy the prompt easily. Then open your favorite AI image generator, such as Chatgpt Gemini, or any other AI app you use, and upload your photo. Paste the copied prompt, make any changes you want, and generate your image. You can try these prompts with different photos, outfits, poses, and backgrounds to create your own unique AI images. So make sure to watch until the end, because there are more than 40 prompts in this video. If you find these prompts useful, like, subscribe, and share this video for more AI photo editing prompts. And don't forget, pause, screenshot, copy with Google Lens, and create